Welcome back to the channel Fundamental Analysis or Technical Analysis. Which one should you use to dominate the forex market? Let's break it down and find out which strategy suits you best. Fundamental analysis focuses on economic factors like interest rates, GDP, and political events. It's about understanding the whys behind price movements. For example, if a country raises interest rates, its currency often strengthens. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is all about price action and charts. Traders use tools like support/resistance, moving averages, and candlestick patterns to predict future price movements. It's perfect for short-term traders who love precision. Which is better? It depends on your trading style. Fundamental analysis is ideal for long-term investors, while technical analysis is a favorite for day traders and scalpers. The best traders often combine both. So, which one will you use? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading insights.